professionals assume revisions will happen. That is why smart filters matter. This tutorial explains how to design edits that can be rebalanced at any stage without quality loss. You will learn how smart filters protect your workflow from client changes and creative pivots. This is about structural thinking, not convenience. Once you adopt this mindset, destructive edits will feel reckless. If you want scalable, professional workflows, this is essential. Follow for Photoshop systems that survive real-world projects. We focus on correcting chroma imbalance instead of flattening color. This technique is essential for portraits across different lighting conditions. Once you learn this, muddy skin tones disappear permanently. Save this video and apply it immediately. Follow for high-end portrait workflows.